Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Logitech G512 X 75 isn't recognized by Windows 11. So first of all, we can try to reinstall this device through the device manager menu. To open it, you have to press the combination of Windows and X keys, and then once this menu appears on your screen, you're gonna have to select device manager right here, and you'll find your keyboard in I guess universal serial bus controllers. Here it is, G512 X 75. Right click this device and then select uninstall device. Also attempt to remove the driver, confirm, then restart the computer and see if it helps you. And if not, then go to G HUB application and open your keyboard menu. Then go to devices settings by clicking the gear icon in the top left and bottom left corner. Go to general settings and click update if this option is available for you. If not, this means that you already have the newest firmware for your keyboard. And after that, restart your computer. And if your keyboard still isn't working, then what we can do in such case is try to perform a factory reset operation on it. To do that, unplug your keyboard, then hold down escape button, F1, F3 and F5 keys all at the same time. Plug in the cable. Okay, then wait for about 10 seconds. And if nothing happens, try this once again. Unplug your keyboard, escape, F1, F3 and F5. Hold them down, plug in the cable, then wait once again for about 10 seconds. Okay, and once your your keyboard turns purple, it will become inactive for some time. Give it like 5 seconds, wait until this effect is done. Okay, and then simply unplug the device and plug it back in. And after that, your keyboard should become active once again. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you. And if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.